Hi, this is Sarabesh Sriram from Stacia Corp. We have developed a seed sowing machine. It's a precision seed sowing machine. It is for small and micro seeds like sesame, mustards, and all other any seed that varies from 3 mm to 25 mm. Actually, we saw sesame cultivation, and it was done through broadcasting method, and there was a lot of wastage of seeds initially. So after that, they take out the extra plants from the ground. So there's a human labor also involved in that. So to minimize that, we thought we could design a machinery which will reduce the seed that is going for sowing, also the man hours involved in plucking out the unnecessary plants. So we came up with this precision seed sowing machine, which can exactly plant the seed at a particular depth with a particular interval between crops horizontally as well as vertically. So this increases, not only reduces the seed cost by reducing the number of seeds, but also increases the yield per acre to up to 3 times. It's a proven thing. When you sow in a line sowing technology, it increases your yield up to 3 times. So that's when we approached Madurai Mabif. So there we were guided to apply for RKVY-RAFTAAR program. In RKVY-RAFTAAR program, they taught us through the basics, starting from how to start a entrepreneurial journey, till up to how to have a patent for your product. They had a very elaborate sessions for everything. They brought in subject matter experts for each and every domain. They brought in for seeds, they brought in for patents, they brought in for aquaculture. It was a wholesome experience for us, and we learned a lot of new things. There are also digital marketing courses. We were put on to new ways of marketing our company. And apart from that, RKVY Raftar program has given us grant, and we are using this grant for making the prototype 2. The prototype 1 for the machine has been done, so the prototype 2 is on the way, is on the making, and this grant will be useful for making that prototype 2. And we are aligning with MNCs, for backward linkage of farmers. And during this backward linkage of farmers, we are also talking with various FPOs, and we have that as a channel for marketing our product also, because through FPOs we are trying to market our seed sowing machine. And already we have spoken to a lot of FPOs, where we have got immense welcoming. So I guess we will be doing a good job in improving farmers' life, because by increasing the yield, obviously you increase the farmers' income as well. So I thank RKVY Raftar for giving this opportunity to serve farmers, subsequently improve the entire ecosystem of farmers, and to improve the Indian economy. Yeah, thank you so much.